Oh, didn't mean to do that. I like your hat.
Thank you. I like it.
Turner, I like your hat, man.
Bro, it's my first headcam ever.
Really?
Oh, no way.
No way.
Right here. No circle. Yeah, Cameron.
All right, step over, you get there.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
You're done setting up, need stand by. You're done setting up, need stand by.
Can you check me just really quickly? Oh wait. SOA brass! I'm gonna step on your rifle. I stepped on the rifle. Is it? Hold on.
Yeah, yeah, it shows about like the tips of your fingers on the valves at the bottom, and then like you can see most of it like out of the right side. So
I'll be okay with that. Thank you.
Thank you guys, appreciate it.
Oh yeah. Love you too. I don't know who that is. I love you.
proud fan mom.
Yeah. Love you, Nathan Gregory.
Spirit. You know how I told you I could see the future?
Yeah.
You guys are about to have an incredible run through.
Oh yeah.
You're about to be excellent because you're going to do the right things at the right time for one another.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
There's no reason for this to be perfect except for our self-respect and our respect for one another and all of the hard work we put into the season. Those reasons are more than enough for why this is going to be excellent. Do the right things at the right time for one another. Cool?
Yeah.
All right, have a blast out there. Have a blast out there. It's a full run of rocket. Full run of rocket.
There's just random high schooler kids, by the way. I think that's funny. Yeah. Rocket. Yeah. Duck, 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 duck. Get it, Rachel. Ah. Ow, ow. 1, 3, 5. 8, 1, 3, 5. 8. Rocket. Yeah. Buns, ketchup, pickle, cheese. Put that patty in between his burger. What? What? It's burger. What? What? Thank you, Kit Kat. Thank you. Beep, beep, beep. 1, 3. Lock in, Kaden. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah. No. What? Smile. No. 1. I'm sweaty. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1. I'm not losing you this time, Headcam. Shout out to my creatures Headcam, by the way. Lost that shit. Oh yeah. Six, 7. Feel a little low, Headcam. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Are we turning? We might be turning. Down, foot, check. 1, 3, 5, 8, 1. Rocket Man. Yeah. Watch this tuba sit roll. Kick some ass, Chris. Oh. did the camera go? Live. Raw.
Proud of you, sir.
Oh boy.
Excellent work this morning. Excellent work all season. That's what it is, man. When we're in Lucas Oil today, that's all that it is.
Yeah.
It is effort and intensity in the details out of self-respect and respect for each other. That's what you guys are doing out there later today, yes?
Oh yeah.
You guys rock. One down.
Whew.
Meeting with Nathan.